Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to disable the grid from your snaps. If you no longer need the grid overlay in your photos and videos, this full guide is for you. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow ghost icon either on your home screen or in your app drawer and tap to open it. Step 2. Once you're inside the Snapchat app, you'll be in the camera section. Look for the plus icon located at the bottom center of the screen. Tap on it to access additional camera features. Step 3. After tapping on the plus icon, a menu of options will appear. Look for the grid option and tap on it to disable it. By following these simple steps, you can easily disable the grid from your snaps, removing the overlay and giving you a clear view of your subjects and objects. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.